Hi, Rising Spirit. Let's talk about the subconscious today and recap on a few things that the subconscious does or doesn't do, understands or doesn't understand, and how to use it to our advantage in life. Well, you might have heard that the subconscious is often compared to an iceberg. So whatever is above the surface is the conscious mind, and whatever is below the surface of the water is the subconscious mind. And as you can see, the subconscious is much bigger. It is extremely fast in processing data. It holds every memory you've ever had, your emotions and feelings, creativity, addictions, habits, intuition, etc. It's extremely powerful compared to the conscious mind that uses logic to make sense of the world. So the conscious mind rejects idea, critiques, criticizes, but the subconscious mind doesn't have that ability. So it accepts the ideas that we repeat on a regular basis. It accepts ideas which come with very strong emotions, because emotions and feelings are the language of the subconscious mind. Full stop. So if you keep repeating to yourself internally, externally, that you are not good enough with a lot of emotion and conviction, that will be your reality, because the subconscious is so powerful in processing data, in noticing opportunities, that even if there is the best opportunity knocking on your door, you either won't notice it or you won't take advantage of it, because you truly believe in yourself you are not good enough. So you see how it works. The subconscious is that powerful. And we need to be careful how we engage with it, and what images and what words we speak to it, how we communicate with ourselves internally and with others externally. Words matter. They really do. They shape not only our physical brain, but our connections, neural connections in the brain, and they also then give messages to the subconscious mind. And the subconscious mind builds images that around the words we use. So for instance, if you wake up and you say, the weather is crap, I am aching, I didn't sleep that well, and I'm not sure what the day will bring, well, then you've given the subconscious a negative feeling, because you said it with emotion, with conviction. Now, if you wake up and you say, oh, the sun is shining, there are a few clouds in the sky, but that's great. I'm going to have a fantastic day today. In fact, I am having a great day right now. I'm feeling great, and I am flexible and open, and the best things are going to happen to me today. And immediately your posture changes, you feel energized, ready for the day, you feel that you can conquer the world in a nice way, and also you don't have any insistence on how your day is going to progress. You are open, but know whatever happens, you are going to have the best day today. Because why? Because everything is energy. We are energy. Our words we speak externally and internally are energy, and they will then give messages to our subconscious mind, which will act as a filter and bring about those things that match our own energy. You see, That's how powerful the subconscious is. So when you're open, when you're grateful, when you admire, the sun up in the sky, when you are grateful for a cup of tea, for the call from a friend, etc., you then create that positive electromagnetic energy around your body, because everything is energy. And so you attract the best things in life. It really does work in this way, because it's not so much what is outside of us, it's what we project onto the canvas called our reality that shapes our reality. If I am positive, no matter what happens around me, I create that positivity around me, and it has to be reflected back to me. Think of a mirror. When you look in the mirror and you see a frowning face, you don't shout at the mirror to start smiling, you smile yourself. So, if your reality is not exactly what you want, don't shout and be unhappy with the reality, external reality. Change within, so that change within yourself then is reflected back to you on the outside, i.e. your external reality. This is physics, this is nothing new, and so the words we speak, the energy we give those words, the energy we give to our thoughts and the situations and external circumstances, all of that and more will shape our reality. And on that note, really appreciate what's around you, and you will get more of it, because you create that positive energy. You get more of it, and you get more positive things coming into your life. And on that note, you are having a great day today, and I am having the best day in my life yet today, right now, and I'm grateful for it, and see you in our next podcast.